Yeah. This don't mean no game, man. This is when the whoops come out. Feel me? No, you don't. She said she got some diamond pussy, diamond pussy. Said she got the baddest pussy, the baddest pussy. It's so clean, it's so clean. She said she got the best pussy, the best pussy. Said she got the best pussy, the best pussy. She said she keep it clean. She said she keep it clean. Girl, I was looking for a bitch like you. I would spend my money, but no time with you. You can tell my family that you seen them. You wouldn't meet my mama, my daddy, you paying. No, you saying something that I wanna hear is you up in that shower. Keep that pussy tight, it ain't even take an hour. They say that it takes a long time for a girl to get up. This girl got that shit, she ain't even had to get it up. Pussy tastes fine, and that pussy fine. She say that it's mine, but I know she told me a lie. Another nigga fucked her, I ain't get mad that time. She sucked my dick too, I was asleep and let me bustin' high. My game so clean, she say she love me. I know that's a lie, plus she is shortchanged. Oh, you should've known that that's the way this dirty shit go. She got that good pussy, plus it stay clean for me and clean for me. Shorty got that good pussy, plus it stay clean for me, clean for me. Yeah, she got that that clean pussy, she do it for me, that clean pussy, Makeup, she wake up with none of that on her face. So when I kiss her lips, I'm like, damn, look at her face. Then meet her for a second, I'm still looking for her. But guess what, my eyes must be blind. I ain't looking for her, but I got a problem with her body, cause I want her bad. When I get her, you and her, we gon' pop text. We ain't gon' look back, we too focused on the front. She my baddest bitch I ever had, she the only one I want. I can't wait to get her, wait to find her, wait to design this. Wait to tell God thank you, cause I really got this. Her pussy clean, mouth clean, face clean, body clean. Is she always straight? Her body is 100, man. She broke scales anyway, she even broke my dreams, cause I know I'm waking up to see her any day. Anyway, she come and visit me with the best sex. I would kill for her, I bet my strap on it. She got that